Hello everyone, today I will be presenting a new and innovative solution of the OCR, which is Llama-OCR. This tool is designed to simplify the extraction of the text from images and convert it into Markdown format, which offered a new approach for developers to handling the complex document layout. So what is Llama-OCR? Llama-OCR is an open source OCR tool powered by Llama 3.2 Vision. Unlike traditional OCR tool, Llama OCR focused on converting images into the Markdown format, and this is particularly useful for developers who work with the documents that contain complex data and complex layouts such as the receipts, tables, or mixed format like forms and charts. Now, why Llama OCR is different from the traditional OCR? So, traditional OCR solutions often struggle with the complex document structure like table, multiple column formats. So, Llama OCR, however, leverage vision based AI to analyze these documents in a more context aware way. So, this allow it to recognize and extract text more accurately, and especially when document contains the element like table, charts, and multiple text, and sometimes it's also capture the blocks. These are some of the key features of Llama OCR. So first, it incredibly easy to use. You can integrate it into your project with just a few lines of code via npm. And second, it outputs the extracted text in the markdown format, so making it highly organized and easy to work with. And finally, Llama OCR has planned for future expansion, including supports of the pdfs and json outputs and more diverse format. Now the main thing is how we can use Llama OCR in our day-to-day work. So how exactly does Llama OCR work? So the tool uses vision based AI to process images, allowing it to recognize text with more precise than traditional OCR methods. So it can identify and extract text from the documents with complicated layouts such as tables or receipts. So this AI driven approach provide a more robust solution for structure which have context. Now, how we can start with Llama OCR? So getting started with Llama OCR, it's very simple. It is available in the npm package, which make it easy to integrate in our projects. All you need is to do is install a package and start processing images. The tool will then convert the extracted image into the markdown format, and which is idea for the future processing and displaying the structure content. So this is some of the theory which is related to the Llama OCR, which is very important to know. Now come on the practical part. So as I already told you, Llama OCR comes in a two format. First in the npm format, and second is the UIs of Llama OCR is also present. So now I will take you to the both the way. So first let's see how Llama OCR UI looks like. So just go on this link llamaocr.com. So this is the UI format of the Llama OCR. So here you can see that it is made with the integration of together.ai. So together.ai is a company which is deal with the LLM models. So Llama OCR integrated with the together.ai and make the Llama OCR UI. So here you can see that it is there are three tabs. First is to upload our image, second is a code tab in which the all the OCR code is written, and in the markdown you will see the extracted image outputs. So when I click on this and upload some images, so here I upload one my bill. So this is my bill, and it contained the information like the business name, this is the address, this is the some items which I already purchased, this is my total amount, whatever the text I give on that, and all the thank you notes and dates and transaction ID, all things are there in my bill. Now when I click on this thing, it start processing. Okay, I just refresh this and just click on again in my image, and when I click on this, it will start processing and extract the image. Now the processing is going on. At the back end, it read all the things which we uploaded and print out in the markdown format. So here you see that business name is there, address is there, all the items and their price which I purchased are there in the markdown format. Like it is in a very proper format, not in the distracted way. Subtotal is there, sales tax is there, and total is also there. And you see that whatever the headings and column name, all these things they give in the bold format. Like business name is a bold format, item and price is in the bold format, subtotal, sales tax, and whatever the total of the bill, all these things are highlighted here. And the date is also correctly extracted by the Llama-OCR. Transaction ID is also there, vendor ID is also there. So all the information it extracted from the bill is very correctly, there is not even a single mistake. So this is how Llama-OCR UIs look like. Now second thing is that if you want to integrate this Llama-OCR into your project, and if you want to use it into your day-to-day life, so how you will do all the things with the help of code. So I will show you how to do all the things with the help of Python code. So for that, I just open my Visual Studio Code, and in the Visual Studio Code I just make my folder. So in this folder I just uploaded two files. First is a JSON file, and another is my Python notebook. And one more thing, for to run all these things, two things which we required is the path of our image, and second is the API key. So API key is of we required keys of together.ai. So for that you just need to go on the website of together.ai and make your profile here. And when you create your profile, they will provide you one API key. So when I like make my profile here, this is the interface of together.ai, and this is my API key. So I copy the API key from here and use this API key into my code. So I can just save this API key into .env file. After that I just make one .js file. So .js file I make it to use it as a background for my notebook. So here I just call my model, which is Llama-OCR, and after that I just wrote one function which is asynchronous function, and the function name is run OCR. In the run OCR I just give two input, my path of the image and my together .ai API key. Now after that I just call the OCR function and give this image path and API key as an input, and after that extract the output in the markdown format. So all the output which is read by the image and extract by the image using the Llama-OCR, it is formatted in the markdown format. And after that, if there is some error, so console.error for that to display the error. Now after that run this function run OCR, and in this give the two inputs like process v2 and process v3. So process v2 for the path of the image, and process v3 is for the API key. So this is all for the JSON file. So now our JSON file is ready. Now to call this JSON file in the Python notebook, I just wrote some few lines of code, and it's very simple. So like I restart and clear my outputs. So first of all, in the first cell I just import the necessary libraries. Like import sub processes to import all the other files which is present in my folder, not notebook, other than the notebook. Like for the .js file is present, so import sub processes for that. Now .env import load.env and import os to extract the API key from the .env files. So there's two libraries for that. Now I just remove this thing. I just run my first cell. Now file path here you have to give the path of your file. So right now I just show you what input I give as a. So this is my image. So this is the same image which I uploaded in the UI. So I just use the same image so that you can see the comparison between the UI and the code. So how is the output, how it gives the output in the Python notebook. So this is my image, so this is my bill, and after that I just extract the API key from .env, and now the code is very simple. Just call the subprocess and write dot run, and here in the list you just give the dot you just give the JSON file name, your input, file path, and API key, and after that just correct the captured output as true, means we have to capture the output, and our output is a format of the text, so give the text equals to true. Now after root this function, just save all the information in the result. So this is the result variable, and after that I just print the results. So when I run this, it took some time to process our image and extract the output. So here within just a 6 second, it just extract all the information which is there in our image. So you can see that business name is there, or address is also correct, and this is our main thing, like it extract all the items and their price very correctly, total, subtotal, and tax is also correct, and all the information like related to date, transaction ID, vendor, all the things it extract very correctly, not even a single mistake. Yeah, so this is the very small Python code which we need to wrote for calling this Llama OCR model. Now I can also check one more thing. So I show you this my certificate, Udemy certificate. So here you can see that the information is written in very small font. So what in the traditional SER, traditional OCR, I see the problem is that whenever the font is very small, it is not able to extract this very properly, and there is some mistakes to extract this kind of text. So when I run the same thing, I just change the file path. Now you can see that all the information extracted by the Llama OCR is very correctly, not even a single mistake. Like the it can just first print out the name of my certificate, like stakeholder management basics for project and product managers. After that it captured certification of completion. Sorry. Yeah, certificate of completion. After that you see here the instructor name is also there, so it captured all the instructor name very correctly without any error. This is my name, this is the date on which the certificate is issued, this is the total duration of this course, and this is the certificate details. So it highlight the details as a topic also, like certificate details. It understands that all these three things are certificate details, so it highlighted as a topic, these are the certificate details, certificate number, certificate URL, and reference number. So all the information which you see in this document is extracted by this Llama OCR very precisely and very correctly, not even a single mistake. So this is how Llama OCR works and how we can integrate it in our project. Thank you.